Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you how to set up your new GoPro Hero 6 and prepare it for its first use. For this you need the following things. Of course the GoPro, the battery, the charging cable, a micro SD card of class 10 or UHS 1 and an adapter. You start with the battery. Open the battery door on the bottom of the GoPro. To do this, press the latch release button and slide the door open. Insert the battery so that the GoPro label faces the lens. Once you've done this, you should fully charge the GoPro. You can do this with your PC or with a USB charger. To charge the GoPro, you have to open the side door by pressing the latch release button and slide it open. Connect the supplied cable and the red light will show you that the battery is charging. As soon as the light goes out, which should happen after 2 hours at the latest, the battery is fully charged. The first time you do this, you should fully charge the battery. However, I have noticed that the red light sometimes didn't go out even though the battery was already fully charged. You should now insert a micro SD card. Since you want to record videos in 4K, it should be a fast SD card. It should be of class 10 or UHS 1. I have had very good experiences with the cards from SanDisk. I put a link in the description. You open the battery door and insert the micro SD card so that the label faces the battery. Now you should format the card. You turn on the GoPro by pressing the mode button on the side. If you turn on the GoPro for the first time, you will have to choose your language, GPS, date and time. To format the card, swipe down and choose Preferences. By swiping up with your finger, you move down in the menu. Under Reset, you will find Format SD card. You select Delete and the micro SD card will be formatted, which is important because it avoids possible later difficulties. You should reformat the SD card in this way on a regular basis. You should now check if your GoPro contains the latest software. The software can be updated using the GoPro app, the Quick Desktop app and manually using the SD card. I recommend a manual update. GoPro will also recommend this form of update if there are problems with the camera. You should check first which software version is running on your camera. To do this, swipe down and select Preferences and About this GoPro. Here you can find the version number of your software. I have the software 1.0 running on my GoPro. Here you can also find the serial number of your camera. You can now go to the GoPro homepage, choose Support and select Product Updates in the left menu. You choose the GoPro Hero 6 and update your camera manually. After registering, download the appropriate file. You then click on the zip file in your Downloads folder and copy the unzipped folder to your SD card. Then insert the SD card into your GoPro again. Make sure the camera is turned off and the battery is fully charged. As soon as you have inserted the micro SD card, switch on the camera. Now the update process starts. As soon as this is done, your camera should be ready. On the screen you will see a series of icons. The wireless status, GPS status, the media icon, which only appears when images or photos are on the camera. Here are the camera mode, the resolution, frames per second, field of view, advanced settings, the battery status, and the remaining recording time. I would now install the GoPro app on the smartphone and connect it to the camera. All you have to do is start the app and follow the instructions. I hope the video was interesting for you. If you want to see more tips and tutorials on the new GoPro, subscribe to the channel. Have a good time with your GoPro and have a lot of fun.